Hello there everyone and welcome to Edmonton Green railway station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 710-128 and 710-259 working the 1111 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station will be 710-129 and 710-118, working the 1113 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. Next up round in the corner for Greater Anglia is 72541 and 72528, working 1 Bravo 41 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Passing fast through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-103, working 1 Bravo 52 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. Next to depart from the station is 710-120 and 710-111, working the 1126 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. While coming in the opposite direction for London Overground is 710-108 and 710-117, working the 1129 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. Next round in the corner for Greater Anglia is 720-508, working 2H23 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street. And passing in the opposite direction for Greater Anglia is 745-010, working 1 Bravo 54 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. 7:20,563 passes in the background working 2H24 for Greater Anglia from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. We see passing through 7:45,006 working 1 Bravo 43 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 7:10,114 and 7:10,115, working the 11:41 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street.
Oh, working a bit then. It's a wee bit full.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.